Hiccups are contractions of the diaphragm which do not serve any useful purpose. They may be caused by excitement or emotional stress, eating very fast, change in temperature, or swallowing air. Let us tell you some home remedies for solving hiccups issue. Stick your tongue out. This eases the diaphragm spasms and quells hiccups. Partner press. Ask someone to touch a fist against the soft spot under your breastbone gently. Concentrate on relaxing while you take a few breaths. When it feels right, exhale your breath completely. During the last exhale, press lightly into the soft spot in order to expel each last part of your breath. Lemon soaked in bitters. There was a study published in 1981 which showed that patients with hiccups were successfully treated with lemon wedge soaked in bitters. Spoonful of sugar. This is a less healthy method. However, you can take 1 spoonful of granulated sugar for hiccups and they will go away. Take a deep breath. Taking and holding your breath will build carbon dioxide into your lungs and the diaphragm will react to this by relaxing. The same effect will be received if you cover your nose and mouth and continue breathe normally. Eat peanut butter slowly. This will calm your body and coat the esophagus. In this way you will trick your brain into forgetting the hiccups. Plug your ears and drink water. If you drink cold water through a straw while you keep your ears plugged, you will be able to stimulate the irritated vagus nerve which causes hiccups.